Back in 2020, the Forest Preserve District was approached by the Bolingbrook Park District to discuss the long-term plans for the Hidden Oaks Nature Center, and specifically whether or not we would be interested in taking over management of the site and ownership. But what we were really doing in that first year that we were open was really trying to get a gauge on what it was that our long-term plan would be for the site. When this facility came available, it was really a no-brainer for us.
The reason that this whole project is exciting is because we have a foundation, an existing foundation to work with. We have exhibits that are near and dear to the community's hearts. So what we wanted to do is breathe new life into some of those existing exhibits. Another thing that's really exciting and important and near and dear to us is the diversity of our community. We wanted to reflect that. We wanted to be a place that's welcoming. We understand that there's all walks of life that come through these doors, and English isn't necessarily their first language. And our most popular audience are toddlers who don't know how to read. So one of the challenges that we gave to our exhibit designers is you need to communicate ecological messages in not necessarily text-heavy ways.
We were able to engage an architect and then some exhibit designers to scope out a project for us. We met with them, we discussed what our plans were, how we wanted to use the facility. We wanted to stay within the original footprint with any renovation, again, being purpose-built. We knew that it would fit our needs from a nature center standpoint and from an education standpoint. What we knew that we didn't really need was 2 classrooms. So we chose that one of those classrooms would be converted to additional exhibit space that would be similar in size and scale to our other nature centers, and the other space would be converted into a program space. Our contractors are now working on the site, and they're working in conjunction with the exhibit designers to make minor modifications to accommodate some ideas that they've had. So we expect that over the course of 2024, we will complete our renovation, our architectural renovations here probably within the next couple of months. And then the exhibit designers are planned to be completed with their work, designers and fabricators completed with their work in December of 2024. So we're hoping that by the first quarter of 2025, we will be open for business.
Our exhibits are going to be experiential in nature. They're going to be engaging. They're going to be interactive. We want them to be impactful, welcoming. We want people to understand that nature is fascinating. In addition to the exhibit design overhaul, we have a lot of amenities that are going to cater to the visitors coming. For instance, if you rent our shelter across the way, there's a nice privacy fence now, so your family can kind of enjoy, just being intimate within the forest preserve. We also have new accessible parking spots. We have accessible paved paths that will take you to the nature center and also take you away into the playscape as well. We have that shade structure. We have the pergola that's going to be brand new. So it's really, really exciting to be able to have a whole team of professionals tell me what would I like to see, what's my vision, because I feel like since I've been on this planet, I've been running around in nature. I've been communicating. I've been the liaison between nature and people. So it's fantastic to get to see that come to life.
I think the public will enjoy it. All of their animals will be back, and each in a new enclosure and an improved enclosure. We believe that this was a great investment for the taxpayers of Will County. The funds were available in the Forest Preserve District budget through previous bond issues. And for a $2 million price tag, they're going to have a almost brand new facility.